Hello everyone, my name is Colin Engel. I'm a teacher here at SUNY Oneonta. I teach in the Food Service and Restaurant Administration program out of the Human Ecology building. You may be wondering why I have that beautiful picture of food on the screen. That's because I'm a certified executive chef by training, and I have been teaching now for about 15 years, so I've combined two of my greatest loves, teaching and imparting knowledge to new students, as well as getting the opportunity to continue to cook. I started in the food service business as a result of my lifelong interest in cooking and food. My first couple of jobs were at McDonald's, believe it or not, back before it was computerized. And I also worked for a large catering company that's still in business in New York City, known as Abigail Kirsch. I thought that I needed to go into business, so that's the track I took after high school. Got an MBA, but later on I went back to school for my associates in culinary arts, and then followed that with a master's in nutrition. That really set a path for me and gave me an opportunity to do something I really enjoy. Right now, I have been teaching here since August of 2017, and I have taught a variety of classes for the school. I look forward to working with everyone in this class and continue my learning. I've always said that we can always learn a lot from each other. One of the things that has been a great experience for me in my career is the opportunity I had to work at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. I was actually part of the culinary staff, the cooking staff, for the U.S. Olympic team. We worked out of Beijing Normal University. We called our building the High Performance Center, where most of the athletes came for 3 meals a day. But that wasn't the best part about it. It was the opportunity to see Beijing. I went to places like the Forbidden City, the Great Wall of China, Tiananmen Square, the Beijing National Stadium, of course. I got an opportunity to see several Olympic events. It was an unforgettable time. I hope to have that experience again at another point in my life. Anyway, I hope that I will enjoy this class as much as you do, and I look forward to seeing you in the threads.